the Mavin Air-X Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Mavin Air-X True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds have long battery life and range. They come in 5 different colors. I will be taking a look at the specs, features, and provide microphone samples, and then give my final thoughts on them. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, various ear tip sizes, and the micro USB cable for charging. And just to go over briefly some specs. You get 10 hours of listening time, 50 hours total with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, micro USB for charging, it has button controls, and uses the Qualcomm aptX technology. IPX5 sweat-proof and water resistant. The charging case has an Apple AirPods type look and feel to them. It's smooth and glossy all around. On the left side, you have the charger status LED and the charger button. And on the right side is the micro USB port for charging. Opening the lid, you will see that the earbuds are held into place by magnets, preventing the earbuds from falling out. The lid feels tight and solid, not loose at all. You will immediately notice that the earbuds are small in size and very light. They are plastic all around with a glossy outer finish. Each earbud has a left or right ear designator, and they have the following features on them: button control, microphone, LED status, and interchangeable ear tips. The button controls are as follows. On the left side, press once for play, start call, volume down. Hold for 1 second for pause and end call. Double click for previous track. Hold for 1 second for voice assistant. For the right side, the controls are the same with the exception of the volume up, single press, and next track, double press. Holding down both of the earbuds will allow you to pair, power on and off, reset the pairing, or factory reset. And now for some measurements. The case comes in at 2 inches by 2.4 by 1 inch. It weighs in at about 50 grams, and the earbuds come in at about 10 grams. And here is a microphone sample of the Air-X. This is a test of the Mavin Air-X microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. You can use each earbud individually or both for stereo sound. When taking calls, you will be able to hear on both of the earbuds. Video latency was not an issue and it worked very smooth. And the range doesn't disappoint. So here are my final thoughts on the Mavin Air-X, and this can be subjective as everyone prefers different types of sound signatures. When it comes to comfort, I did find them to be comfortable. You do have to find the right size ear tips or else it will put pressure in your ear canals. One thing I dislike are the button type controls, because you tend to push more into your ears when navigating the options. Build quality is solid. The case has a nice design and is compact, and the earbuds are small and feel very durable. When it comes to sound, starting off with the lows, I did feel that it can use a bit more bass. I was expecting a little bit more of that energetic feel. Mids and highs were very clean, crisp, and had good detail. At no time I experienced any distortion. It was a balanced sounding experience. I would compare it to almost sounding like the AirPods. The earbuds did stay into place while running, so this can definitely be good for working out. It delivers on the battery life, extended range, and quality. And having the IPX rating is also a plus. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.